it's not raining, and I'm on my Ducati. That should make at least one subscriber happy. G'day everybody, welcome back. Yes, I'm just on the little red beastie, getting reacquainted. I've been on the mainland for a week and a bit. Went off to watch the Island Classics at Phillip Island. Wow, what an event! If you haven't been, seriously, that was my first time. That was my first time on Phillip Island. It was my first time at a track-based motorcycle race that wasn't a dirt bike race. Risdon Prison, home of Tasmania's finest. Say good day to the likes of Martin Bryant. Whoa, horn works. So I managed to film the whole thing, which was a bloody effort. I'll give you the hot tip. If you haven't seen it already, it's I've got part 1 up now on YouTube, the Great Rot Sausage Tour. Part 2 is in the can. So it was an epic adventure, and it was filled with dramas and bad luck and good luck, and some really cool bikes and really great mates. So go and check it out. I've only been back on Tasmanian soil for a couple of days. I'm not sure whether or not you can see the mountains over there, but there's still a bit of smoke around. Nowhere near as bad as what it was this time last week. But having said that, I haven't checked on the Tasmanian Fire Service maps recently, but I think something like 3% of the state is burnt out, and there was some pretty bloody good fires burning down in the Huon and in the Great Lakes and the Central Plateau. And our incredibly brave fireys are out there bloody doing their best to save lives and property. It's an unfortunate part of living in a state that has so much wilderness area, and also I'm going to blame the Greens a little bit, political party. They tend to resist any efforts to preemptively strike with burning of undergrowth and clearing of certain areas, and they push back pretty hard, and they end up locking these bloody places up, and this is what happens. In fact, I remember a story from, may not be 100% accurate on this, but I know the context is accurate. I don't know whether or not dates and times, but I think it was the Dun Alley bushfires. There was a thing in the paper about a guy that was being fined by the local council for clearing the trees around his property without permission. So he cleared around the actual house to provide a fire barrier, basically. And when the bushfires swept through, his was the only house standing, and they waived the fines. It just, you know, like, at what point do we put people's lives and the property that they've worked their entire lives for ahead of a couple of trees? Seriously. Someone bipping, I don't know why. Because I left my indicator on. Thank you, Audi driver. That's I'm surprised that an Audi driver knows what an indicator is. It's a bit unfair, that's BMW drivers. So, what the hell were we? GS1000. Don't know. I sent the tins off to get painted. And I haven't touched base yet with the painter. Let's shut this down. Yeah, I haven't touched base with the painter yet, so I'm not quite sure where we're at with that. The Honda's been sold. It's now in the hands of its new owner. Not much else to tell at this point. But there is more in the pipeline, so hang around. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.